Hi boys and girls, hope you're doing well. I'm here just to give you a brief explanation as to the activity Map It Out. So if you can see here, it says Map It Out. It says use a story map to help plan a narrative paragraph before you begin writing. Draw pictures to complete the map, then use it to write a narrative paragraph. So the first step you're going to do is you're just going to be completing this activity. We're not writing any paragraphs right now. So before the break, I want you to work on this. First step, we're going to divide the story that you are going to create. So in your mind, you're going to say, I really would like to write about this. I really would like to write about that. Okay? You're going to figure out a beginning, a middle, and an end. At the beginning of a story, we always figure out what the setting is and who the characters are part of the story. So, you can draw your character in a specific setting. It could be, for example, Miss Vitale at McDonald's. Okay? So you draw Miss Vitale at McDonald's. Let's say I'm part of your story and the story is happening at McDonald's. We arrive to the middle, the problem. You draw a picture here. Let's say it's Miss Vitale not getting her special number 2. They made a mistake with her order. So the problem is Miss Vitale did not get the right food. And then the end, which is normally the solution. We could draw a picture of Miss Vitale getting her McDonald's food, her order right. So what did they do? They changed up her order and they offered her food. So you draw the first picture, the second picture, the third picture, and then right here where you see these 3 lines right underneath the box, you can write a few words, doesn't have to be complete sentences, describing your picture. Okay? So we move on to the next part. Number 1, write a topic sentence. What's a topic sentence? A topic sentence is your first sentence, your big sentence, the sentence that describes where your story is taking place. So let's say, if we're still talking about Miss Vitale going to McDonald's, we can say, Miss Vitale is going to McDonald's because she is really craving a Big Mac. Okay? So that would be the first sentence of my story. Miss Vitale wants to go to McDonald's because she's really craving a Big Mac. Okay? After that, number 2 over here, write a supporting sentence for the beginning, middle, and end. I want you to write one sentence describing what happens at the beginning, what happens in the middle, and what happens at the end. Look back to your pictures that you created, and then write a sentence about that. Okay? And then finally, number 3, a closing sentence. How will your story end? Will Miss Vitale be happy that she got her McDonald's food, or will she be irritated because it took so long? So you figure out how you would like to do that. On your document that I've put on Showbie, I have taken away this last part over here where you see the little light, because we are not going to be writing a narrative paragraph this week. You just need to complete the pictures, the number 1, number 2, and number 3. That's it for this week. All right. See you soon.